with?
I'm Navin Govind. I'm the founder and CEO of Aventyn, a digital therapeutics company. We found out about the American Heart Innovators Network while we were looking at different types of tools to put into our patients' hands, especially patients that are in the heart failure cohort. And we ended up having a conversation with Pat Dunn, who eventually was very instrumental in having us part of this ecosystem with other innovators in this ecosystem. Yeah, it's been really a fascinating way that we've been able to connect to not only other peers, but also it's been a very amazing learning experience where we've been able to meet some of the thought leaders in the space, and more importantly, being at the convergence of technology and health and the digital transformation that's taking place. Couldn't have asked for a better platform to be able to not only have the discussions and the discourse, but also be a part of that innovation ecosystem where new products are being talked about, new evidence studies are being talked about, and sharing of the data that's resulting from a lot of the efficacy studies that we're doing with digital tools that are going into both the patient and the clinician's hands. For technology companies that are usually in the mindset of solving technical problems, it sometimes becomes a one-way street. And what health innovation is helping is to bring a lot of the expertise on the clinical side to be in that same room. And the integration of those clinical workflows, for example, make a big difference for technologists because it puts things in perspective. The value of, for example, a tool such as Life Essential 8, which is basically a risk assessment tool, which also brings in patients into focus so that they can better understand their health with the use of technology, is something very, very valuable. Going forward, I think that from a technologist perspective, personalizing a lot of the use of technology to their own health, care plans that are being curated by American Heart, is a very, very integral component, and I believe that is a big game changer.